As a manufacturing leader in the Treasure Valley or Idaho Falls, you know that every minute counts. Your production lines, your team, and your bottom line depend on systems that work seamlessly, day in and day out. But when IT issues strike, they can bring everything to a grinding halt. At TotalCare IT, we specialize in managed IT services designed specifically for manufacturers like you, addressing the challenges that keep you up at night. We've spent years working with manufacturing businesses across Idaho, and we've heard the same frustrations over and over, like frustratingly slow response times that kill productivity. When a server goes down or a critical system fails, you can't afford to wait hours or even days for a resolution. Every minute of downtime means missed deadlines, frustrated clients, and lost revenue. We get it, and we're built to respond fast. Our team prioritizes rapid response. We often resolve issues remotely before you even notice a hiccup. The second frustration we see is the challenge of finding a reliable, local IT partner who truly understands your needs. Too often, manufacturers in the Treasure Valley and Idaho Falls end up working with distant providers who don't grasp the local manufacturing landscape, or worse, they're stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution that doesn't fit their unique workflows. We're different. Based right here in Idaho, we know the ins and outs of the local industry, from supply chain demands to compliance requirements. We're not just a vendor. We're your neighbor, committed to being there when you need us most. Finally, we understand the pricing concerns that make you question value. Let's be honest, we're not the cheapest option on the market, and we don't pretend to be. But here's what we do offer: unparalleled value that pays for itself. With TotalCare IT, you're not just paying for IT support. You're investing in reliability, security, and expertise that prevent costly disruptions. We believe in transparent pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting. A partner who delivers results, not excuses. At TotalCare IT, we're here to solve these frustrations for you. Our managed IT services are tailored to the manufacturing industry, ensuring your systems are secure, your downtime is minimized, and your technology scales with your growth. We don't just react to issues, we proactively monitor and maintain your systems to prevent problems before they start, so you can focus on delivering quality products on time, every time. I'd love to show you how we can make a difference for your business. Let's schedule a 15-minute discovery call. On this call, I will take the time to understand your specific challenges, answer your questions, and share how we can help you achieve seamless IT performance that supports your production goals.